These were the chairs reserved for employees of the Bureau of Immigration in Malacanang. The chair had pastillas with money rolled inside. President Duterte had summoned more than 40 BI employees tagged in the pastilla scam. Justice Secretary Menardo Guevarra said Duterte told the BI employees to either eat the pastillas or give it to the first beggar they see. Guevarra added no one among the BI employees present at the meeting spoke. Under the pastilla scheme, Chinese nationals allegedly pay BI officers at least 10,000 pesos to enter the country as tourists despite lacking proper travel documents. The money is rolled in bond paper like pastillas. In October 2020, Ombudsman Samuel Martires had ordered the suspension of 44 BI employees involved in the scheme. The National Bureau of Investigation, on the other hand, has filed charges against 86 individuals involved in it.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.